Welcome back to Now or Never Adventures. We are a family of 4, trying to live our life a little differently than the norm. In this video, we give Nona a wash, bring Mingy up, and finally splash Nona.
Today is Sunday morning, and Chris already got some sweat going on. So the reason being,
Don't buy a boat, buy a car. It's smaller and it's easier to clean.
so tomorrow we're launching finally, and we need to clean the boat 10 o'clock in the morning, and
36 degrees.
it's just too hot. But we gotta get it ready. We'll get ready for tomorrow, 2:30, and we're gonna be in the water finally. Exciting! Dinghy is kind of clean. Just gotta get it up on deck somehow.
Well, tell them what we did with the engine.
Oh yeah, engine. Yeah, we had our outboard in the locker, and we got it out so we can put it on the mount on the back of the boat.
Mounted it on the back of the boat, didn't we?
Mounted on, but it's too heavy.
Yeah.
For the push
We
pit.
go over a wave. It's going to pull the push pit off
Yeah.
the back of the boat.
So we decided no.
Put it back in.
So we put back in using halyard. Oh, it was hard work, but Chris is strong, so luckily it was all good in the end. That's the progress so far. You can see it's shiny, yeah? You can see it. It's getting there. It's getting nice and
Shiny
clean.
but dirty, look.
Yeah, well, it's got some stains which will have to be removed a bit later. But there's a bit shine to it now. But it's definitely it's a lot better than it was. It won't be perfect, but it will be 10 times better than it was.
We think.
As you said, you have to tell yourself that you're making a difference. It's not a waste of time. This is all good. Even though Chris is sweating buckets, it's okay, it's good. It's all worth
Put
it.
it into a bucket so we can rinse the boat off
Yeah.
with my sweat.
We've had tears, we had sweat, we had a bit of blood.
Here we go. Time to clean port side. Our tiny wife. Okay, so we've done the whole hole now. We've just done up the little bit at the back there. We'll do the top when we get up there. And then we'll put the dinghy up and cover it up. And then that's everything. After 16 years of turmoil and waiting, she is now a proud British ship, the way she was supposed to be from the beginning. She was flagged in the wrong country and she was not happy. But now she is at peace with these scallywags. But she is about to go sailing tomorrow, and she has her Greek flag waiting. The decks are swabbed. The swabber is still swabbing. Time to go, people.
Boat is clean. Look at that. Amazing. Nona, you look bloody fantastic. Cockpit's clean. Just need to put some things away. Downstairs it's absolute mess. But get this sorted. Tomorrow it's drop in. Everything clean. Just got to do some sails to put on. Main sails on. But need to put on Genoa. Good to go. So tomorrow 2:30 we're launching, and we're going to be in the water at last. One final task is to bring dinghy up on halyard. So there's a halyard here, this red one. We're gonna winch it up using our electric winch. So should be easy peasy. worried it's gonna snap. Things coming up. Mommy's winching. Look at Mommy. She's doing the hard work. Mommy's doing the winching.
You're dead. Thingies.
Oh, it's going on the stanchion. Oh, it's so scary.
Yay!
I don't want to completely let go. We done it! Yay! Today is the day. So 2:30 today. We'll finally go in. Very excited, very nervous. It's going to be weird a little bit. So just gotta get some things prepped. It's a lovely morning. Okay, some things prepped, stowed away, have breakfast. Lots to do still. But we'll get there. So, Regina is going in. Regina? Nona.
Now this very scary time. Very scary. Okay, she's up. Well, boys, it's on the tractor. There's no turning back now. She's going in. She's up there somewhere.
Here she comes. The glorious Nona. Very best.
Yeah.
All that you wished for. We're just waiting for the lift.
So, are you ready to go in the water now?
Finally.
Finally.
Yeah. Really happy.
Right, we're just waiting for these guys to go in. We're going in.
Do you know where we're going?
I don't know. Preveza somewhere.
Do you want to check Navionics? You ready to go and live on the water?
Yeah, let's go. No
Have time.
No time like now.
So after a long wait of 6 months, finally doing it. This makes me really nervous. Tractor will move away and the lift will take it.
I hope they know what they're doing.
Well, they're having a great time. Oh, it's on.
So it's balancing. Like, just like it's been balancing for the last few
I hope it's balancing.
Floating!
Well, we've got the dinghy at the front, we've got all the chain at the front,
Yeah, it should be
all the
okay.
flows at the front.
There we go.
To the bottom. Papa! Yay! It's going! Oh my god!
Our floating home.
How this is exciting! already in the water.
This is the stressful moment.
I'm at the end.
Coming on.
Yeah. Stay on now.
Yeah. All okay? Look, sit down, boys. Can you sit down, please? Sit down.
We're finally doing what this boat's meant to do. Yes.
We're gonna go on anchor now.
Mummy, no.
Yeah?
Am I allowed on the slide?
Not yet. In a minute. What? I believe so. We're in the water. Yeah? We are in the water.
Yeah, mine too. Yeah. It's fun. Bye. Yeah. Bye.
Can you sit down, boys?
Good.